Good afternoon, man. My name is Mayank Tomar. I am here to present a presentation over a topic environmental appraisal with my co-partner Deepesh Patharia. The first slide is about what is environment. Environment means surrounding, external object, influences or circumstances under which someone or something exists. The environment of any organization is the aggregate of all the conditions, events and influences that surround it and affect. And the characteristics of environment. Environment is complex and the environment consists of number of factors, event, conditions, influences arising from different sources. All these do not exist in isolation but interact with each other to create entirely new set of influences. Environment is dynamic. The environment is consistently changes in nature due to many and varied influences. There is a dynamism in the environment causing it continuously change its shape and character. Second, the type of business environment. There are two types of business environment: internal business environment and external business environment. Internal business environment consists of structure, operation procedure, finance, human resource, marketing approach and research and development. External environment. External environment are of two types: micro external environment and macro external environment. Micro environment consists shareholder, employees, supplier, banks, customers, distribution channels. And macro environment contains socio-culture, technological, economics. Economics are basically two types: capitalist and socialist. And other things that micro environment consists are political and international. Role of government in business environment. Regulatory rule. Government makes the rules and regulation regarding the licensing, manufacturing, labor, welfare, policies, etc. When the government withdraws some strictness on regulatory function, it is called liberalization. Participative role. Government be the part of various operational field like banks, railway, PSU, etc. When the government allows the public sector to be a part of some specific operational area is called privatization. And the last role of government in any business environment is protective role. Government makes some specific rules in the form of various tax and restrictions to protect the domestic industry. When the government withdraws some restriction to attract the FDI, FII and providing the best product, it is called globalization. And the next slide will explain by Deepesh Patharia.
My name is Deepesh Patharia, MBBA 6th B. My slide is environmental scanning. Environmental scanning can be defined as process by which organization monitor their relevant environment to identify opportunities and threats affecting their business for purpose of taking strategic decision. Second slide, factors to be considered for scanning. The external environment in which of an organization exists consists of bewildering variety of factors. These are as below. First is events. Events are important and specific occurrence taking place in different environmental sectors. Second is trends. Trends are general trend research or the courses action along with event take places. Third is issue. Issue are current concerns that arise in response to event and trends. Fourth is expectations. Expectations are demand made by interest group in light of their concern of issues. My third slide is approaches to environmental scanning. CUB has suggested 3 approaches which could be adopted for sorting out information of environmental scanning. These 3 approaches are: first is systematic approaches, second is ad hoc approaches, and third is process form approach. First is systematic approach. Under this approach, information the environmental scan is collected systematically. Information related to marketers and customers, changes in legislation and regulation that have a direct impact on organization activities, etc. It could be collected continuously to monitor change and take the relevant factors into account. Continuously updating such information is necessary not only for strategic management but also for operational activities. Second is ad hoc approach. Using this approach, an organization may conduct special surveys and studies to deal with specific environmental issues. From time to time, such studies may be conducted for instance with an organization has to undertake a special project, evaluate existing strategies of device new strategies. Third is process from approach. For adopting this approach, the organization uses information is processed from available from different sources both inside and outside the organization. When an organization uses information supplied by government, agency or private institution is uses secondary sources of data and information is available in process form. Thank you so much.